In my last video, I showed you the math behind a $5,000 monthly dividend paycheck. If you haven't seen that breakdown, check the link in the description. It's the goal we're all shooting for. But before we dive into today's blueprint, a quick reminder. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, so always do your own research before investing your hard-earned money. Now, back to reality. You don't start at $5,000, you start at level 1. Many investors in their 40s or 50s see a $100 dividend and think, that's nothing, it won't change my life. But I'm here to tell you they're wrong. The first $100 is the most dangerous and important phase of your journey. If you don't master this milestone, you'll never reach the retirement you've dreamed of. Let's look at the math. So, let's look at the mountain. To get $100 deposited into your account every single month, completely passive, you need a portfolio of roughly $24,000. That calculation is based on a conservative 5% average yield, which is a realistic sweet spot if you're balancing growth and income. Now, look at this. If you're starting from zero and saving $200 a month, it will take you roughly 10 years just to reach this first milestone. 10 years. This is exactly where 90% of people quit. They think the mountain is too high, the progress is too slow, and they'd rather just spend that money on a new TV or a vacation today. But here is the secret that the get-rich-quick gurus won't tell you. You don't have to climb the whole way. There are ways to teleport halfway up this mountain without working a single extra hour at your job. It's not about finding new money. It's about moving the money you're already losing. Let me show you how I'm doing it right now. Most people look at their bank statement and see dead ends. I want you to see fuel. Take your phone bill, your internet, or those 3 streaming services you barely watch. If you can rescue just $100 a month, you're not just saving money. You're buying the first gear for your machine. For example, switching to a cheaper provider or cutting ghost subscriptions you've forgotten about. That found money is exactly how we jumpstart the journey toward a $5,000 monthly paycheck. But here's the trap. Most people save $100 and then spend it on something else the next month. In a moment, I'll reveal the subscription swap, a psychological trick that ensures this money actually reaches your portfolio. But first, we need to look at the math. How much is that $100 actually worth 10 years from now? So, how do we guarantee that $100 actually reaches your portfolio? Here is the subscription swap, the trick that feeds my 3 ETF machine automatically. The moment you cancel a $50 subscription, you set up an automated transfer for that exact amount. But don't worry, you're not losing your favorite shows. Just rotate your services, watch one dry, then swap to the next. You get the same entertainment, but you've just unlocked the fuel needed for the 3 specific ETFs I'm about to show you. Why is this swap so powerful? Because while a Netflix sub dies every month, that $100 future self-sub grows into over $17,000 in 10 years. Stick with me for 30 more seconds, because I'm revealing exactly which 3 ETFs turn these small rotations into a permanent income stream. And if you're serious about hitting that $5,000 goal, make sure you're subscribed. I'm documenting every single step of this build, so you don't have to guess. Now, let's look at the first ETF. Let's address the elephant in the room. $100 in monthly dividends feels small. It feels like it doesn't matter. But in this machine, $100 is the proof of concept. If you can build a portfolio that pays you $100 while you sleep, you haven't just earned pocket money, you've built a scalable engine. The journey to $5,000 is simply repeating what worked for the first $100, but with better tools. To make that jump, I use 3 specific pillars. First, the foundation. I use a broad market ETF like SCHB or VOO. This is your safety net. It ensures that as the world economy grows, your machine grows with it. This isn't about overnight wealth. It's about never being left behind. Second, the cash flow engine. This is where we look at SCHD. These are the dividend aristocrats, companies that have survived every crisis and still paid their investors. This is the pillar that turns your $100 into a steady, reliable stream that inflation can't touch. Third, the accelerator. To bridge the gap from coffee money to retirement money faster, I use covered call ETFs like JEPI. This is how we squeeze extra cash out of the market to reinvest and snowball those $100 targets into $1,000, $2,000, and eventually $5,000. Most people quit because they focus on the $5,000 mountain. I want you to focus on the $100 step, because once you own your first $100 of time every month, you've officially started your early retirement. But there is a specific snowball setting you need to turn on to make this move 2 times faster. The secret to turning $100 into $5,000 without working harder is a tiny setting in your brokerage account called DRIP. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. When you flip this switch, you tell your machine, "Don't give me the cash yet. Take every dollar these 3 ETFs earn and immediately buy more shares." This creates the snowball effect. This month, your $100 buys a tiny fraction of a new share. Next month, that new fraction also pays a dividend. You're now earning interest on your interest. This is how the insignificant $100 starts to compound. In the beginning, the snowball is small and moves slowly. But as it rolls, it picks up more mass. Suddenly, your $100 has become $500, then $1,000, and eventually, the momentum is so strong that the $5,000 monthly goal becomes a mathematical inevitability. You aren't chasing the money anymore. The machine is generating its own growth. But there is one final trap that kills 99% of all dividend investors before they reach the finish line. The trap that crushes 99% of investors is impatience. They see the snowball rolling slowly at first, and they stop reinvesting right before the momentum actually kicks in. They break the machine to buy something meaningless today. But now that you know the secret of the DRIP setting, you're already ahead of the curve. However, there is a catch. If you choose the wrong ETF, taxes can quietly bleed your account dry. To stay safe, always look for distributing versions of these funds to keep your cash flow clean. That's how you reach that $5,000 goal. But if you want to see the exact defensive shield I use to protect those gains from market crashes, click the video on the screen right now. I'll show you why SCHD is the backbone of my $10,000 strategy in 2026. See you there.